Look what I found. A bird nest have a 3 egg. So we're gonna take a look. So yeah, they are. Here they are. It's beautiful. 3 egg in the nest. So I don't know what kind of birds this one. So they are 3 eggs. Bird nest, bird egg. So in this farm or cornfield, there's a lot of bird that different kind of birds that laying eggs for summer time.